Shoot for the stars if you feel right, and aim for my heart if you feel like I'm take me away. I'll make it okay, I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so we waited. I put on a show, now we've made it. You see I'm a kid, my ego is big, I don't give a shit. And it goes like this: take me by the tongue, I'll know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. Maybe it's hard if you feel like you're broken and scarred. Nothing feels right, but when you're with me, I'll make you believe that I've got the key. So get in the car, you can ride it wherever you want. Get inside it, but you wanna steer, and I'm shifting gears. I'll take it from here, and it goes like this: take me by the tongue and I'll know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. You wanna know how to make me smile, take control of me just for the night. And if I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. So watch and learn, I wanna show you twice. Head to toe, oh baby, roll me right. And if I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. And it goes like this.